age of 6 months, we got her tested again for Bera, and then we got to know that she had a severe to profound loss in both the years, and our life was shattered. We were not at all. I had a elder one who is absolutely fine. She had no problem, and suddenly we were like, what has gone wrong with us? And then we went to so many doctors. We met so many. When we went there, we got to know that it's a normal thing, which like people go there to a normal doctor for a cough and cold. We see that parents come like this to so many doctors, to ENT doctors like this. And I had a feeling that what has exactly gone wrong with why my child has been is with this. And then we met doctors. They told us that she had to be implanted with a cochlear. She had to undergo a cochlear implant. I sat on the internet, searched so much. Then I met Dr. Sheller for this. He had given us so much of personal touch, and he used to tell me, I had so many queries on this. He told me that you come out with all many questions you have, I will explain you, and he actually did it. And with that, I was like, I could make up my mind for this, for taking a cochlear, a major operation done on her. And he even told me to meet the parents, who I actually went and met them. I had gone, met the parents, met the children of theirs, and I saw that they are a normal kids at this age. They behave as a normal child. They don't have any mental problem, or they behave properly. And secondly, we had gone through so many tests that my child has gone through many pricks and everything. But now, after the implant, now she's absolutely fine. I'm happy that she can hear. And it is only that we got the right guidance from the doctor. We were happy that now my baby can hear. She turns her head. Now whenever there is a knock, there is something. Now she can at least hear us. When I didn't have any.
At what age did you get her implanted?
I got her implanted when she was 9 months.
And why did you get it done so early?
All the parents, when we met the parents, every parent used to tell us that we got our child implanted at the age of 2. We were not this prepared for the thing. How can my child get this thing? So they said, you please, if you have detected this ailment early, please get her implanted at the right age. Because what we have gone through, our child is almost 2.5 years back with all this. And if you implant her in the right age, at her 9 months age, then your child is only 18 months back. Otherwise, like what we have done a very big mistake, that we had lingered on so much. Maybe I met so many parents who were not financially strong. They had gone through those many problems also. That is why their child was suffering all this. They said, if you have the money, you have the power to get along with all these problems, please get her implanted at the age of 9 months, which is the correct age. And I have seen my child is growing so well with this. She's not having any problem. She's very happy. And the moment I take off her processor, she is like she scratches her head. She wants it back.
And how long
And
has it been since she's been implanted?
it's almost 2 months now.
Since the switch on?
Since the switch on.
And you have seen a good response in her
Very
already?
good response, and now we are happy. At least whenever we give a knock, we give a clap. My daughter calls her. My daughter used to say, "Why don't she listen? Whenever I call her, why don't she listen?" Now
You have an elder daughter?
she's happy. Yeah, I have a 5.5-year daughter.
And she used to say this.
Yeah, she used to say कि मेरे से नियति बात क्यों नहीं करती, and we had no answer. Now she is the only one who is every time she's seeing that her processor is on, she's okay. ये सुन रही है, उससे बातें करती है, उसको बुलाती है, and now she plays with my daughter. Earlier she didn't used to hear her. Now both of them are playing. They enjoy each other's company. And we met Dr. Shalabh Sharma for this, and he told us that he had not given us any type of that you have to go for a N16, you have to go for this medal. He only told us that your main priority is to get your child treated for this, and the money is only whenever it is what is financially okay for your child, then that you should go. It is not the best if you can get it upgraded afterwards also, but first and foremost priority is your baby, to get her up
Early.
to get your baby operated early as soon as possible. The early you get her operated, the best is for her.
And how was your surgical experience?
My surgical experience was very nice with Dr. Shalabh. I was the one who was sitting outside the OT, and I know when my daughter had gone to the OT, then I thought, what a blunder I have done. I was like, I had sent her for a major operation, and she's a 9-month-old baby. And so nice of him that my daughter was being operated for an adenoid thing also, and a bilateral cochlear implant. And Dr. Shalabh, after when he got the adenoid done, he came up. He said, "Now this is being done. You should keep your calm and everything, please." And next, when he got my baby done for the first year, then afterwards again he came. He told me that it is fine. She's doing fine, and everything after the whole process of this operation. He has actually helped me. He gave me the updates. I was sitting outside. Being a mother, I was so much scared, but he was coming. After every operating her, he used to come and say that she's fine, and that he has helped me as a God. I don't know. I had nobody. I was only having that my daughter should be absolutely okay, and I have given my daughter to a person in a safe hands. And after that, now he was the one what actually I had so much of queries. I met the audiologist Ramya, whom I used to ask so many questions, and she only told Dr. Shalabh that I had so many questions, and he himself, though he himself called me up, he had given me his precious 20 minutes of his and explained me everything on the phone. What all I had a line of questions on my paper, and I asked him, and he made me clear with all my queries. And I had actually gone through a tough time. Now I'm in a safe and clear hands. क्या बोलूं?